Welcome to CBC Radio-Canada's 2012-2013 web-based annual report. The least that we can say about our last fiscal is that it wasn't boring. We were delighted to be able to bring back the Olympics to CBC Radio-Canada, but had to deal with the NHL lockout, which took out just about half of their regular season. Our schedules were very successful. Let's just think about Arctic Air, Cracked, our now famous Dragons, 19-2 and Unité 9, or about the strength of our radio market shares, or the record number of visits on our websites. But at the same time, we had to deal with a budget reduction of close to $162 million as a result of the program of the federal government to reduce the deficit and the end of a CRTC fund which supported local TV programming. So, a big thank you to our CBCers for their resilience and creativity through these challenging times. We are still focused on delivering on our 2015 strategic plan and have already started working on its next cycle. One thing is clear. Whether it's through your phone, tablet, or Facebook page, the content of the public broadcaster must find its way there. And to make that happen, we need to keep taking risks and listening to what Canadians want. Enjoy your visit.